Hey guys, if you want to see how I achieve this natural makeup look today, then go ahead and stay tuned for the video. So today's video is just going to be a quick tutorial on what I like to do for foundation and contouring to make my face and freckles look the most natural. Being somebody that has freckles, rosacea, dry skin, oftentimes when you do foundation and contouring, it looks very cakey, looks like a mask. So I'm just going to be showing my techniques that I use to try to keep it the most natural looking. I take the Porefessional primer and go ahead and add that to my pores and problem areas on my face. And you just want to take a little bit and press it into those pores. Now I don't recommend using this all over your face just because it is a pore filler, and having that all over your face where you don't really have large pores will just cause your foundation to slip and look greasy. So I'll show you what I use next for the rest of my face. I like to use the Too Faced HangoverRx just because I do have the dry skin like I mentioned. This goes ahead and puts a good base for our makeup as well as nourishing and moisturizing the skin. After I'm done applying all of that, what I like to do is go ahead and do my eyebrows first. That way we just give the primer some time to go ahead and dry up. So what I'll be taking today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and my color is chocolate. So I already naturally have nicely shaped eyebrows. What I like to do is just kind of fill them in a little bit more, make sure there's no open spaces in my eyebrow, missing color. After you get done doing your eyebrows, what I like to do is jump right into foundation. And a recent find for me was Born This Way by Too Faced. I really enjoy it because it is a medium to full coverage foundation as well as a very hydrating foundation. With me having the dry skin, freckles, rosacea, it's really hard to find a happy medium when it comes to foundations to where you don't look like you're wearing a mask and you're not covering up your freckles completely. So this is a good one. I'm going to be taking the color Pearl today, as well as a clean, wet beauty sponge. I just have the original Beauty Blender. I like to start out very light-handed, so I'm just taking a little bit on the sponge and just going to bounce it in. I feel like this gives you the best coverage where you don't completely cover up your freckles, but you're also covering up the blemishes and unwanted skin popping through. Because you can already totally tell a difference between this side and this side of my face when it comes to the coverage of my rosacea. Foundation just does a good job of balancing out your skin tone. Next, since I don't have a Born This Way concealer, what I'm going to do is take my old Full Filter foundation. Is a little too yellow, too full coverage for my face. That was the case where I looked like I was wearing a mask. I actually like this for concealer, so I'm just going to take a little bit, tiny amount, and go ahead and put it underneath my eyes. I'm just taking a concealer brush, just dabbing this under my eye. And now I'm just going back in with that same Beauty Blender and just going to bounce it into the skin. all done, I'm going to move on to contouring and highlighting. And for me personally, okay, and now once contour's done, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the lighter cream concealer shades in this palette and just go ahead and put it everywhere I want to highlight. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and set everything. And today I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. And I'm just going to place that everywhere to set it. But first I'm going to actually bake with it underneath my eyes and do a little bit of reverse contouring. foundation and contour review. I'm just going to go ahead and go off camera to finish my eye look, and then I'll come back to clean up the bake and set the rest of my face. Alright, now that my eye look is done, what I'm going to do is just set the rest of the face. Last but not least, to highlight, I'm going to go ahead and take the Fenty Diamond Balm. And that is it for this look today. As you can tell, with everything I used, I went very light-handed. I wanted to make sure that it didn't look anything but natural, and I think we achieved that. So